This is 5.3, probabilities of simple independent events. So random, the definition of random. Oh, by the way, this is for grade 7. So if you're grade 8, don't listen to this. Random, an event in which every chance has an equal chance of occurring. So just because something happened doesn't mean that something else is going to happen. They're all completely random. So when we go and we figure out using the tree diagram, we're going to use a tree diagram to determine the possibilities. So let's get to it. So create a tree diagram. We're going to go with, here's our choices. We're going to go with jump. We're going to go with run. We're going to go with skip. We're going to go with twirl. And we're going to go with twist. Underneath, we're going to have heads and tails. Heads, tails, heads, tails. And tails. So what is the probability of flipping a head and the spinner landing on jump? So for jump and head, we know that that's right here. So what is the probability? There's only one chance of that happening out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chances. So the probability is 1 over 10 or 10%. So the probability of this happening is 10%. What is the probability of flipping a tail and the spinner landing on twist? So we know that again, 1 out of 10 chances equals 10%. So if you scroll up here to see, if you don't believe me because you think I'm a liar, the twist is right here, or the tail is right there with the twist. Everything else won't really work. The final question, what is the probability of flipping a head and the spinner landing on sleep? So as we go back up, we know that jump, run, skip, twirl, twist is not sleep. So the probability is 0%. Next question, create a tree diagram to show the outcomes when a coin is tossed and the spinner is spun. Was that supposed to be a table? No, that was a tree. Okay, so create a tree diagram to show the outcomes when a coin is tossed, the spinner is spun. So heads, tails, we've got blue, red, green, purple. Blue, red, green, purple. So what is the probability of spinning a red and tossing a head? So spinning a red and tossing a head only happens right here. 1 out of 8. That's 1 over 8. Sorry, I'm pulling out my calculator here. 1 divided by 8 equals 0.125 equals 12.5%. So it's 12.5%. What is the possibility of spinning a blue and tossing a tail? So that only happens here. Again, it's 1 out of 8, or 1 over 8 equals 12.5%. What is the probability of spinning yellow and tossing a tail? Well, none of them are yellow, so it doesn't matter. You've got 0%, or 0 out of 8. Finally, using a chart, a marble is randomly selected from a bag containing 1 blue, 1 red, 1 green, 4-sided labeled. So create a table to show the sampling space. We've got blue, red, green marbles, and we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we've got blue 1, blue 2, blue 3, blue 4. We've got red 1, red 2, red 3, red 4. And we've got green 1, green 2, green 3, and green 4. Out of a total 12, what are the possibilities that it went black and 1? There is no black, so it's 0%. What if it's blue or green and a number that is greater than 1? So if it's greater than 1, it can't be 1. And if it's blue or green, so we've got here 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So we've got probability of 6 over or out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which is 50%. Because it's 1 over 2, 6 divided by 12 is 50%. So the probability of any color, P equals probability. So the probability of any color and rolling any number but 3. So any number but 3, which means that we can't have anything in this column right here. So we've got 1, 2, 3 here, 4, 5, 6 here, 7, 8, 9 here. Any color equals 9 divided by 12 equals 75%. Nine divided by 12 equals 3 over 4, which equals 75%. So what's the probability of a red or green or blue and a 4? So it's only this right here, red or green or blue out of 4. So we have a chance of 3 divided by 12 equals 25%. Yeah, so 3 divided by 12, I'm pretty sure it's equal to 12%. If not, tell me in class. That's it. Your questions are up on the website. Please go answer them. Thanks. And if you have any questions, please come see me.